welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you glitching AI dropshipping tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now, in this case, you might be wondering, how do you start using glitching AI here? Well, using glitching AI is actually a pretty simple process because they actually integrate AI into your dropshipping journey, which in this case, you can think of them as a mini or an assistant that you could use on the platform itself. Now, in this case, first things first is you need to open up your glitching AI account. Now, from your account, you have the following options. We have the AI product finder, product pages, academy, and ads. In this case, we'll be discussing the basics here. In this case, currently we are in the AI product finder. Now, this tool actually allows you to basically research and find products that would suit your store or you might want to start selling. In this case, let's go ahead and choose one of the products here. Now, once you click one of the products, you should be able to see the AI product finder page or product page here. In this case, this will include some of the basic details about this product, like for example, the sale price, which in this case, the price that you'll be selling this specific product, the cost of the product, so in this case, for the cost of it actually you buying it from the supplier, and the profit that you'll be gaining from the product since you sold this on a specific sale price. Now, if you want to view this product on the specific platforms that they are being sold, you could go ahead and click either Amazon, AliExpress, or Shopify. Now, also this includes some details or AI generated details that you might want to consider, like for example the wow factor, which in this case would actually indicate how amazing the product it is and how much it might attract the attention of potential customers. Also have the profit margin, which includes how much you could actually gain or profit from this product. Also have the product market fit as well as the saturation. Now, saturation here actually determines how much a product is currently being sold on the market, meaning how many people are already selling this. Now, if you have or your saturation rate is actually pretty high, like for example, if it's actually set to mid, it means that it's currently in the middle side. So there's going to be a few users that is using this product here, but not that much. But in this case, if it's in the green, you could go ahead and use this product because not everybody is selling this specific product here, which includes or basically boosts your capabilities of actually gaining or profiting from this product. So also you'll be able to get the options for creating a product page here and even creating an ad and copy and scripts. So meaning you could create a product page via this section here in glitching AI, as well as a option to basically create your own copy and scripts for TikTok videos or any ads that you want to basically use. Also have the ad creatives here, which includes examples that are ads that are related to specific product. And yeah, so in this case, you could go ahead and view them if you want to and basically have an idea on how to promote this product. Now, you also have the option to view some details about it generated by the AI. For example, the target audience. So it's going to give you what are your target audience and what's the marketing angles for this product here. Now, in this case, once you click on the generate page option for this specific product, you should be able to see the product pages section, which in this case you'll have an example on how it's going to look like, the product page itself, how it's going to look like, the details are going to be included, and whatnot. And in this case, if you like the generated page here, you could go ahead and click on import product page into your Shopify store, and that would actually insert that product page into your Shopify store, which is something really, really cool. Now, in this case, you also have Academy here, which allows you to basically have lessons and basically learn more about drop shipping or in the basics of glitching AI here, which is something really cool because not all platforms actually provide this one, which is in the long term would actually help you learn more drop shipping and also the platform itself. So you might be wondering if the platform is free. So currently glitching AI is not free. So you need to pay for your services for you to access these features that we've just shown you. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.